po papayag na maghihiring-hiringan kayo dyan at I will have you arrested. I promise. Kahit na senador ka, kahit na sinasabi mong matanda ka na, ilang taong ka na sa Senado, try me. Magpahiring ka ng Blue Ribbon ulit. Magpahiring ka. I don't care kung dati kang Senate President, dati kang Speaker of the House, I don't give up. Talagang papahuli kita. Kung hindi papahuli, kung ayaw ng usa, bibit-biting kita, kwikwilyohan kita, palalayasin kita dyan sa floor na yan. Because I am the legitimate Blue Ribbon chair.
After we did that, we were immediately recognized by the House of Representatives. We were recognized by the Executive. Tapos meron kaming hawak na jurisprudence para pakita na illegal itong mga ginawa namin. Meron pa kaming yung, sabi mo, May 5, 2015, na kasama pa nga si Pia at that time.
Majority na po kayo, sir. Bakit po acting SP? Why not SP?
Because it's 13. It's in the law. Kailangan mo 13. We don't have 13. So, but then we can elect the pro tempore because it doesn't say 13. Senate President. So, Senator Cayetano is still the Senate President because we don't have 13. It's against the law naman, di ba? We only have 12. So, well, he will be a virtual Senate President. All seats vacant for all the committees. Simula po sa pro tempore, we cannot touch the Senate presidency because we don't have 13. It is in the it is what the law says. You have to have 13. We don't. We only have 12. No, Senate pro tempore. Acting president, acting Senate, but he's the presiding officer from now on. So, kaya hindi pumasok sa it will be Senator Win who will be presiding from now on.
Naging usap-usapan si Rhea matapos siyang maiugnay kay Raffy dahil sa isang Facebook post tungkol sa Christmas party na kanyang dinaluhan noong 2025. Nagsimula ito nang mapansin ang naging pagbabago sa caption ng kanyang post. Kalakipang larawang suot ang kanyang performance outfit, direkta siyang nagpasalamat kay Raffy sa pag-imbita sa kanya. Lalo pang lumaki ang issue matapos maiugnay ito sa hiwalay na kontrobersyang kinasangkutan ng kapwa VMX artist na si Chelsea Ilore, na nakatanggap siya ng tip mula sa hindi pinangalan ng senador matapos ang isang pribadong transaksyon. Dahil dito, napilitan ding magsalita si Montul.
Naman, lawas ha?
Sige, ikaw.
Nindot ang imong lawas.
I thank you.
Or lami ang no.
Uy,
No.
sa
Erase.
PG-13 ha?
Wala pa akong isulti, wala pa akong dinudugtong. Mali, lami, erase.
I don't know where you got your information, Senator, but that is a lie. I can also sue you for libel because we have not issued any clearance, Senator. So before you start talking, you make your facts right. Any clearance, Senator.